What's going on, everybody? So you guys can see that my motor is gone and it's now downstairs in my Skittle Fabs workshop. Here's a couple packages that were just delivered in the past couple days. I actually have a lot of packages to go over with you guys. Come here, come here. Stay. So we're just gonna take these, put them in here with my other packages. You guys will see I got a couple 513. This is from Automotive. SRT4 gear. SRT4 gear. I got another one from Tom Brunton. That's a cam gear tool that I want to show you guys. And then I got a OEM fuel pump for the caliber, but that isn't something that I'm going to be opening. I got another package here. This is what my Skittle Fabs workshop looks like right now. You can see I got a bunch of boost leak testers that I already finished, and they be looking nice. This is my 2-inch. This is my 3-inch, and I do have a 4-inch coupling, but they're already in there. One there, one there. This one's already being sold. And I got a 3-inch already boxed, so I gotta make a couple 4 inches. These are my 2 inches. These are already done. I just gotta go ahead and put some clear tape over the gauges so they don't get dirty or scuffed up. But this is my motor over here, you guys. My Darton sleeved 4B12. I haven't taken it apart. It's pretty much the same way it was outside, other than it has all the other accessories taken off, which you guys can see all right here. I haven't really finished up cleaning 110%, but just so you guys do know, I am parting out the caliber. I didn't want to go that route, but nobody really wanted to pay $4,000 for my caliber and all its parts. I do not know why, because I have a lot of it. I have a lot of neon and caliber stuff, so that's a bunch of neon stuff over here. Neon oil pan, a bunch of hardware. I got my caliber stock intake box, so if anybody's interested. In reality, this is what I have left for the caliber. I have the cylinder head, which is going to be sold in the next couple days. I have OEM front brake calipers, the intake manifold, fuel injectors, fuel rail, upper coolant pipe, lower coolant pipe, south bend stage 1 clutch. I got a lot of parts, you guys, so if you guys are interested, definitely think about DMing me on Skittle Fabs. I have a bunch of parts already listed in my highlights on my IG, so the link is in the description. This is what my caliber looks like, you guys. It is pretty much stripped already, minus the hood. I already took the accessory harness out. There is this harness left right there, which goes right up above the wheel well on the driver's side and right into the side area behind the fender. The fenders are still in good condition. You just got to go ahead and drill this bolt out along with this one right here, but these are in pretty good condition. So they're still salvageable. I got front and rear rotors, brand new pads, and all my calipers on this caliber are rebuilt with 0 miles. So 0 miles on the rotors, pads, and calipers. I got original OEM side skirts, obviously. These have never come off since I've owned the car. Driver's side one is in good condition, but the passenger side one seems to be zip tied and cracking right there. I did not do that. This has been on the car since I got the car, and I haven't literally ever tried to take it off. So I don't even know if all the clips are still stuck. My rear bumper, that's still available, along with my front bumper. I got my spoiler, and everything has a price tag, you guys. So if you guys are interested in any of my caliber stuff, just go ahead and DM me on SkittleFabs. Like I said, the link is in the description. Unfortunately, I know you guys probably do not like that I am parting out the caliber, but I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I've been having issues with this caliber since day one, since I picked it up at Mint Auto in Long Island, New York. Now, the day I picked it up, I could not even boost, you guys. I didn't know why. The guy even told me on the test drive not to try to boost. And I was a little fishy, but at the same time, you guys know, I've been rocking the Neon since 2010, I believe, or 2009. I forget. It's been a long time. It's been 10 years. Like, I know a little bit, and I do have connections, and there's a lot of people that have Neon, so it's really not that hard to fix the Neon. But when it comes to the caliber, I didn't really know what I was getting myself into, but at the same time, I liked the challenge. So, with that being said, driving back home after going to Long Island, test driving it, give $1,000 deposit, gone back home, mind you, 4 hours one way, 4 hours back, so that's 8 hours out of my day. Went to go back again to go actually pick up the car and sign the paperwork and drive home. My drive home, right off the bat, the two-step that was wired into the wire harness was giving me issues. So I ended up talking to my buddy Smiley, which is one of my homies that lives in New Hampshire now. He has a nice solar yellow SRT4 that is currently wrapped, and he also got a white girl. Both the videos are down in the description below if you guys want to go check those out. So I called him on the side of the highway in Long Island, and I was like, dude, this two-step N2MB box is waterlogged and it's giving me a bunch of problems. It's wired into the wire harness. What do I do? So he ended up telling me exactly what to do, and I got it home on cruise control. But once I got it back home, me and my buddy Smiley started like tearing it apart and trying to figure it out. You know what was the issue? They ended up having a stock cat, which I do have somewhere around here. Oh, I know where it is. See, I got two cats. I got two. The reason I have two is because when I first got the caliber, it had a blown cat. Now, where do you think all that honeycomb went when that two-step was going off? Right into the resonator. And mind you, the resonator, all it has is a little thin screen to basically muffle the sound coming from the engine. Now, that thing was clogged with all the honeycomb. When we took the resonator out of the caliber, we ended up having to poke a hole into the screen inside the resonator and knocking it all out. It was like so shocking. Me and my buddy Smiley were just like, bro, look at all that honeycomb. Dude, we put it back into the caliber. We took it onto the highway. Yo, that thing ripped to 18 pounds. Mind you, I was on an MS1K V2. Aaron Real Tune V2 tune. I don't know much about it, but it was in my engine already. Or my engine bay. And yeah, I'm telling you guys, I really didn't know what I was getting myself into. And I could keep on going and letting you guys know exactly what was going on with this caliber. But you guys seen a bunch of my videos. I've covered a lot of content when it comes to the caliber SRT4. And I just feel like I keep on knocking my head on wood. So that's why I gave up. It's not that I don't love the caliber SRT4. I do. I might even buy one in the future. But I have to part ways with it now, you guys. I really do. And I'm sorry to the people that love my caliber content. You know, like I said, I might buy one in the future, so stay tuned to that. Just wanted to update you guys. If you guys have any questions, I'll have answers in the next video. Just leave your question down in the comments. And until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace.